Have you ever used an app or a website and thought, यार क्या मस्त ऐप है, और कभी किसी ऐप को यूज करते वक्त कि कितना बेकार इंटरफेस है, and we instantly close the application. That feeling you get, that is UI UX design. UI stands for user interface and UX stands for user experience. Hi everyone, this is Chitra, your career coach. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This may not be your first video on UI UX design, but by the end of this video, I promise I'll make sure this will be your last video on confusion about UI UX. In this video, I'll explain what this is and its demand and the real salary you can expect. If you're interested in entering this field and want proper guidance, then I have also shared a trusted institute link in the description below. You can check that out as well. First of all, UI and UX are not the same thing, and this is where most people get confused. So let's clear that confusion. Let's start with UI, which means user interface design. UI is about how things looks. When you open any app or website, the layout, buttons, colors, fonts, icons you see comes under UI design. The job of a UI designer is to make things look attractive and clear. Now, let's talk about UX, which means user experience design. UX is about how easy or difficult it is to use something. Let's take an example of Amazon. If you want to search for a product or go to settings and you can find it easily and your journey feels smooth, that means the UX is very good. UX focuses on ease of use, smooth flow, and user satisfaction. UI UX is not limited to apps or websites only. It can be applied to physical products as well. For example, take the Apple Pencil. Color, shape, and slim design comes under UI, but how smoothly it writes and how comfortable it feels in your hand comes under UX. So remember, UI is how it looks, UX is how it feels to use. So now I'll share a real experience that happened with me. Once I was using a traveling app, I had to raise a complaint. It was so difficult to find customer support that I got so frustrated and deleted the app. That is what happens when UX is bad. Users leave the product. So technically, UI is part of UX. UX is bigger than UI. Now let's talk about the demand for UI UX design. I've been in this field for so long, and trust me, AI can never replace UI UX designers because this field needs creativity, human thinking, and problem solving. Today, everyone uses apps, website, OTT platforms. Every business wants products that look good, feel easy to use, and keep users happy. That is why UI UX design is in high demand. Now, let's talk about salary because that is important for everyone. Salary depends on your skills, your experience, and the city you are working in. In metropolitan cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Chennai, salaries are higher because the cost of living is also higher. In India, beginner UI UX designer earn around 3 to 6 lakh rupees per year. Mid-level designers around 6 to 12 lakhs per year, and senior designers can earn around 12 lakhs or even more than that, and sometimes even 20 lakh rupees or more in big tech companies. If you are interested in entering this field and want proper guidance from learning to internship and placement, I have shared a trusted institute link in the description below. If this video helped you even a bit understand UI UX clearly, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment UI UX if you want more videos on this topic. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.